Good morning, students. Today in this lesson of grammar we'll be doing articles. Now what are articles? Articles in English is explained as definite article and indefinite article. Now what is definite article? Definite article and indefinite article. The indefinite article is a choice between a and an. Use a when the word that follows begins with a consonant sound. Now in third standard also you might have learned about articles. A and an is used when a is used when consonant is there and an is used for the vowel. So a is a consonant sound. A picture, a needle, a colorful kite, for example. And an is used for a vowel sound. An octopus, an hour, etc. Note that vowels and consonant are sounds and not letters. So the use of a and an depends on how the word that follows is spoken and not how it is written, because on the sound you have to write a and an. The definite article. Next part is the definite article. The definite article the indicates that the noun that follows refers to something known to the speaker or the listener. For example, the is used when we specify with further description what we are talking about. For example, Soma bought the box with a green lid. Now Soma bought the box. The box is referred to extra description that with a green lid. Use definite article. We use the to refer to something that has already been mentioned. The is used when we specify with further description what we talking about. The third, the is used when the situation or context makes it clear what is being spoken about. For example, there are 3 mangoes in the fridge. So here the speaker and the listener knows where is the fridge, which is the fridge. Fourth one, we use the when we are talking about something that is unique or the only one of its kind. For example, the sun, the moon, which is only one in this world. So when we use word sun, moon, we refer to the article the. We use the with superlative forms. Now superlative form you have already learned in adjectives, that is better, good, better, best is the superlative form. Beautiful, more beautiful and most beautiful. So here also the is used. Now Harish, for example, Harish is the most successful tennis player. So most successful is the superlative form, and before that you use the definite article the. The is used with adjectives like first, last, only, sole, etc. Now here the first man to climb Mount Everest. Now the is used when we use the words like first, last, lonely and sole. Now the is used with the expression like some of, a few, none of, most of, etc. For example, some of the travelers, a few of the parrots. So the is used with the expression. Next, the has a generic use to refer to all example of something. Generic means same kind. Now the goalkeeper is an important part of a team. Now here the goalkeeper refers to general, means to all the goalkeeper of the team. So the goalkeeper is an important part of a team. Next, we use the with adjectives to make them noun. Now poor is there, so to make poor as a noun, refer to as a noun, we use the poor people. So the article is used over there. The is used with the names of some geographical areas, rivers, mountain ranges and ocean. For example, the Nile river, the Ganga river, the Himalayan mountain. So the is used for a geographical areas also. Now next we will moving on to using no article or zero article. Means here the is not, the a or an is not used in the sentences. Now when it is done, we use no article when there are other words like this, that, my, his, another, etc. For example, this house. Now you cannot write this the house or this a house. So in this case we don't use any article, only this house is there. No article is used when we talk about abstract ideas that are uncountable. Abstract noun which you can't see, you can just feel about it. That is, knowledge is power. You don't use any article over there. The knowledge is power, we don't say. You say knowledge is power. So for abstract ideas we don't use any article. We don't use articles with uncountable nouns when we are talking about something in general. Now when you are talking to your friends in general, you just ask them, do you like music? You don't say, do you like the music? You don't say that way. So just in general we ask, do you like music? So we don't use articles when talking about things in general using plural nouns. Now when plural, we don't use any article when we are talking about in general when we are using plural nouns, like bikers must wear helmets. You don't say the bikers must wear the helmets. So we don't use here articles in this sentence. No article is used before people's name. Now before your name, no article is used. Ramesh, Suresh, we don't say the Ramesh, the Suresh, or a Ramesh, or an Ramesh. So no article is used before people's name. We don't use articles with sports, academic subjects and games. Like Roger is good at tennis but terrible at chess. Here for sports, that is subjects, games, we don't use any article. In fixed expression. Now some common fixed expression contain articles like all the milk has turned sour. Both the carpenters were absent. Means in common we are making use. For milk, all the milk has turned sour. Or instead of saying the carpenter and again the carpenter, we say both the carpenters were absent. Get me a few paper clips, please. So these are articles in fixed expressions. A lot of water was wasted by the boys. So some common fixed expression do not contain articles like by car, by train. Here we don't use the articles. So students, I hope you understood this lesson of articles, how to use the definite article and how to use the indefinite article a and an. A and an is used when vowels, for vowels and consonant. A is used for consonant and an is used for vowels. That is A, E, I, O, U. When you hear the sound, you write the articles. So I hope you understood this lesson. Thank you.